Hello everyone!
We welcome you to a very exciting 2020.
Grabe, parang kailan lang. Nalalo ko pa noon nung wala pa ako dito sa Sante. Sobrang hirap ng buhay. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami papunta. Walang direksyon. Pero ngayon, very overwhelming. Kahit kami, hindi namin akalain na aabot kami sa point na to. Tinrabaho ko lang talaga. Dire-diretso, sinaga, inaral. Ang leadership values na pwede kong ma-share is determination and focus. Takes effort, energy, diba? Willpower, grit, gigil to achieve what we want to achieve in life. Yung focus, kailangan hindi tayo distracted. So, being determined and not allowing any distractions will bring us to what we want to desire in life. Another key point is you do the math. As a performer, stay achieving the results that you desire, favorable results, you need to do the math. For leaders to stay on top, we have to go back to basic. Build up yourself, assist them, people in your network, then sustain them in the process, then involve them in the program, in the activity, then that's the time we can convert them to the kind of person that we want for them to become so that they also achieve what they want to achieve in their lives. 5 years consecutive na naging top 1 earner ako. In 2016, ginawa nila akong Hall of Famer dito sa kumpanyang to. Dati motor lang. Ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na magkaroon ng 5 sasakyan.
Super blessed and grateful dahil sa Sante opportunity, never namin experience na magkasakit at sa opportunity din na makapag-travel sa iba't ibang country.
Sobrang na-enjoy namin itong buhay na to. And ang layo pa na nakikita namin, ang lawak na nakikita namin in the near future. This is my vision that will really penetrate 195 countries and 38 territories. With Sante,
I can live more,
do more!